Maintaining your Blade Air Pro filter is not only simple, but crucial for optimal performance. You will need your replacement Blade Air Pro filter media pad, a suitable disposal bag, as well as protective gloves and eyewear. Before beginning maintenance, ensure your HVAC system's power is disconnected. When removing your filter, be sure to unplug the power supply cable. Carefully remove the Blade Air Pro filter from its position within your HVAC system. To access the exhausted filter media, gently pop up the four corners of the filter's outer housing. Carefully remove the exhausted filter pad and transfer it to a suitable disposal bag. Always handle used filters with protective gloves to prevent contamination. Before installing your new filter media, take a moment to examine the electrode in the filter to ensure it is in good condition. When installing your new filter media, note that the electrode must be aligned with the strip found inside the filter media in order to effectively provide power to the filter. Snap your outer housing back into place and double-check the plastic piece on the housing lines up with the electrode, ensuring a snug fit and optimal conductivity. Maintenance is now complete, and the Blade Air Pro filter is able to be placed back into its place in your HVAC system. Once reinstalled, power can be reconnected to your HVAC system.